This cedar is a giant among giants. Even with a hollow center, it put up a serious fight. You don't run into trees like this every day. Felling it is a badge of honor, and if that's not YouTube Hall of Fame material, nothing is. A tree that's leaning the wrong way is no joke. That's a major hazard. The best move? Keep your distance and let the professionals handle it. These guys know what they're doing and have the gear to get it done right. Don't play tough, play smart. The 48C, a firewood-splitting monster straight out of the East. With 115 horses under the hood, a Blade 48 setup, and a cabin that screams high-end comfort, this thing doesn't mess around. Want to conquer your woodpile like a boss? Ditch the toy splitters. This is next-level gear for serious men. Helicopter takes more than guts. It takes precision, control, and a deep understanding of complex mechanics. The way a pilot balances the cyclic, collective, and tail rotor is pure mastery. Seeing that level of control up close? Absolutely inspiring. Staring down acres of thick brush, the anchor chain is a no-nonsense solution. It tears through vegetation like a beast. Just be ready. It'll leave your soil rough and rugged. Handle with care. Don't wait until it's too late. The unstable ground here calls for tree removal now. Leaving it could result in property damage or even personal injury, especially during strong winds or heavy storms. In forestry, the right tools change everything. The 718 EER gives you extended reach, like having a mechanical arm that grabs trees from a safe distance. Then comes the Woody H61, quick, clean cuts, no wasted motion. It's about smarter forestry, more output, less footprint. This combo is raising the bar for the whole industry. In Georgia, a tree stump has been holding mail for over 100 years. That's more than just wood, it's history. Maybe it's time to turn stumps like that into something meaningful. A bird feeder, a gnome's hideout, who knows? On this planet, giving new purpose to the old is something worth doing. This is the moment where reality kicks in. If you're thinking, I got this, think again. Don't try to muscle through it. Get the professionals in. This is no job for amateurs. One wrong move, and it's disaster. This isn't your average trucking job. Navigating a loaded rig through off-road chaos demands expert-level control. Slippery slopes, shifting weight, and raw momentum, all of it counts. And the men behind the wheel, they've got nerves of steel and skills forged by years in the wild. Right now, guys, we're not in Grandpa's woodshop anymore. The VK Debarker is next-gen gear, powered by a helical cutter head and 4 fully adjustable blades. It handles log diameters from 20 to 55 centimeters with precision, chewing through bark at 15 miles per hour. This is industrial-grade innovation at full throttle. In moments like these, days, you understand the truth. Everything can shift in an instant. A single second can be the line between control and chaos. Kenworth Longnose truck is a true icon of American power. With high-output engines like the ISX-15 or MX-13, pushing 600 horses and 2,050 pound-feet of torque, and a transmission built to conquer, this machine handles rough jobs with style. That bold, stretched front end doesn't just look badass, it helps the truck perform smarter and pull stronger. Fuel economy meets brute strength in the Scania R730. Timber. Every inch of this recovery truck is designed for purpose. From reinforced tow points to precision tie-downs, it's all about protecting the rig while getting the job done. Under the hood, a turbocharged 16.4-liter V8 monster roaring with over 700 horses of Scania muscle. Why can go two ways. Either you feel like a genius, or you end up with a mess you wish you never started. And trust me, I've seen both.
Hell yeah.
Dude, this stump removal tool is something else. It's not like the usual ones, but it works like a beast. We've got to give it a shot one day. Have you ever come across gear like this? Thinking about diving into woodworking but don't know where to start? The HM1126 chainsaw is your answer. It's user-friendly and versatile, whether you're new to the craft or an experienced pro. From building a basic chair to taking on bigger projects, the HM126 helps you build the skills to make your woodworking dreams a reality. In New Zealand, forestry haul trucks are regulated by the 2016 Road Transport Rule on vehicle size and weight, and it's a whole different ballgame compared to Europe, especially places like Scandinavia. Major changes include length limits, axle weight restrictions, and stricter stability standards. This means operators need purpose-built machines and tailored procedures to get the job done safely. If this video impressed you, let us know in the comments. Your support keeps the gears turning and the ideas flowing. Running the B43 outside standard protocols showcases its flexibility, no doubt. But be warned, straying from manufacturer guidelines can lead to voided warranties or equipment failure. Use with care. This isn't landscaping. This is domination. The CBI stump grinder is a full-blown monster, chomping through stumps with razor-like teeth. It's not pretty, but it's damn effective. Turn your excavator into a land-clearing machine straight out of an action movie. This beast doesn't trim. It annihilates. Machines that bite, slice, crush, and conquer. That's what we live for. If you've made it this far, we know you're one of us. Someone who respects steel, grit, and raw power. So don't just watch. Be part of this. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join a brotherhood of machine lovers who crave the roar, the grind, and the glory. More heavy metal action is coming your way. This is Machine Era, and we're just getting started.